Hello, my friends. I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today, we are going to be seeing that how we could create a DIY fruit juice bottle design. That first we go to freepik.com and download this image of an orange, and we put it in CorelDraw and resize it accordingly, and now we get into Corel Photo Paint. Now once we come there, go into smart selection and select and then go grow. So it will come all the way till here, and then whatever that is missing now, just select that also. So it's all done. Okay, and now it's gone a little bit inside. So you work accordingly. You'll have to zoom in and work. Okay, and yeah, that's right. Okay, this is perfect. Now say duplicate this and delete the background in this, because just like CorelDraw, no, Photoshop, for some reason we can't delete the background, white of the background in this. So we have to duplicate it and then delete it. Now this is done, and say finish editing. Once that is done, this is now transparent. As you can see, the page line is to be seen. Okay, copy paste this and crop every one of them. We want both of them individually placed. Okay, so this is one, this is the second one. Fine, so both of them are separate now. Cool. Now what we do, we place this on the center of page by selecting object and pressing P. Okay, now give this top one a transparency so that it is blending from a full orange into a cut orange. Okay, so this is how the blend is made. Now let's go again to FreePic and top and TP26. So let's download our bottle. Now select the bottle and bottle image and take it here. Now you could work with direct vectors also. Okay, I have chosen bottles, and because for some reason I think it's easier to change colors in Corel, because every aspect otherwise you would have to change. Now select the type of bottom also that you need. Normally small bottles, they come in this kind of an output. So select that. Again, get into crop and we crop this. So the base is that. So that's the top, this is the base. Okay. So all our elements of the bottle are done. Now we have to remove whatever that is extra. Okay. Just use the eraser tool on the regular background only. So it will become white. Okay. It will not erase into transparency. Now this is our bottle is done. Okay. Now go on to the again our same tool and we select this. Now select very carefully. Okay, go very slow because the bottle is also white. You don't want it to get into the bottle where you have to keep redoing things. Yeah, this is done. Okay, now Control Shift I, inverse the selection. Okay, and then duplicate it and delete the background. This is our bottle top is done. Now do the bottom also. Okay, in the bottom we will erase this. Now you have to be very careful in this because this is far more transparent for some reason than the bottle top. So you'll have to get the judgment of how the bottle is designed. Yeah, this is the design of the bottle. I think a little bit from the bottom also, the side. Yeah, the side needs to be more smooth. You can't have jagged edges. And Yeah, this is good. Inverse the selection and now select this, and now we do plus and cut this in. So that small bulb type thing is there and the two tops are there. Yeah, you might have to do Control Z many times because the object and your background both are white. Now duplicate this and delete the background. So say finish editing and we are done with this. Okay. Now taking this into consideration, now we are going to work around. Just put this here and give it a transparency so you know how the bottle shape is going to be. Yeah. This is how a bottle is going to be made. Okay. So this is what we need. Okay. This is just for placing. We'll change this later. Okay. Just for placing. And now we work with the bottom. So we come here and the bottom push the cut orange on the side and give this a transparency and then size it according like how we did the top. Okay, so you know where this is going to come. Okay, this is done. Now we say RGB, convert to RGB, and this is the output. So you have to convert it to bitmap, otherwise this not going to work. Now going to adjustment labs, use saturation, okay, and this should be 150. So you will get this slightly maroonish, orangish output. Okay, then you're going to trace. Now it's going to come back to the normal color. Never mind. We select this and now we will play over here on. Okay, so this is your selection. Now when I inverse it, this is what you will get. Now again you go through the line by pressing plus and perfect. This is what we want. Okay, now you go into orange color and fill this. Okay, so fill this with this 47 brush and 100 opacity. So fill it full. Don't worry, we don't need that. We just need from where it's cutting. Yeah, this is about it. Save, finish editing, and then you take that object again in the front. Okay, that we had made before. Now let's make the transparency none. Yeah, so this is how it will look. Increase that transparency of that image so that it blends and convert it to RGB. Move it aside again and here take another brush, again that same brush, and use the eraser tool around the corner so that you're not having very sharp corners. Okay, you're having smooth corners. We don't want sharp corners. Okay, done? Cool. Now this is how it will look. Now give this also a transparency and this looks nice. Okay, so now let's work with the top. In the top, we are going to cut the bottle. So after duplication, this is how you cut the top. Okay, duplicate the bottle and cut only the cap. Done. Okay, say finish. So you see this, they will, yeah, there are two pieces. Now select the second piece, again copy paste, and now only we want the water. And use a brush with a good feather. Okay, you don't want it to cut very sharply. It's okay if it blends. Yeah, so this is what it is. And now what we'll do, again, just take your this quick selection tool, and once you rub it, you will get the object. And now we are going to fill this with light orange color. Okay, so they are both on top of each other, so they both have transparency, so you don't need to duplicate anything. Now see, this is a full image, we crop that. Okay, the behind one is full, the other selection one will be half. Okay, this is one is not required, only the cap with this is good enough. So we delete that other one that we had made. Okay, move this, again give this also a blend and move this also. Okay, so both of them are made. Now again bottom, and this is our bottle. Okay, this is the completion of our bottle. Now rotate the orange a little bit and adjust everything. Now we're going to adjust everything. Just adjust everything and make sure that you know the shape of the bottle is complete and your blend is also good enough. Okay, and Orange is the name of our fruit juice, and we will use Agros George contour font. Okay, for this thing, go into character map and go on to Orange R, or else even Arial is also fine, as long as you get the A with this slash on top. Okay, and we want it to be, oh, it's become small, never mind, no problem. This is 117, 120, and is it in the middle? No, I think it's at the end always. Yeah, Orange. Yeah. So this is the name of a fruit juice. Okay, and give it a outline 8 point. Oh my God. Okay, let's curve the corners and also the line caps and scale behind and make it 6 point. Yeah, this is this is good. Now this was a preparation for the label. Okay, the juice is orange color only, filled in the bottle. Okay, the orange, the peel, the orange, everything was a preparation for the label. So now adjust this, make sure it's snapping to the guideline. Okay, we are going a little fast on this because there is nothing too much to worry about. Now, see, you have to understand the curve of the bottle is going to visually make it look downwards. Okay, it's a round bottle, visually going to make it look downwards. Now, power clip everything within our that is the orange and the peel. Power clip both of them, and 100% pure orange drink is what we are going to be saying, and same 17 degrees we rotated by, where orange is also at 17 degrees. Okay, now take our star tool and put this here. So this is our call out where we are saying 100% pure, center align it, put it here and right click and say all caps, change to all caps. Okay, and we, once it's center aligned, we will now work with the sizing. CE again. Yeah, this is good. Make this bold and make this red with yellow outline. Once that's done, you just make it at 1 point, 1.5 point, keep trying. And this is at 48, no? I think 40 is good. Yeah, this is good. Otherwise, the lines were coming too close to each other. Now, yeah, this is nice. And orange, yeah, you do page up. So it's on top of this. Okay, because our product name is very important. 100% pure is good. Okay, rich source of vitamin C, no added sugar, no added color. Okay, and this is how you can work around this. Now use our shape tool and push these lower lines inside. X. So we are working the X axis. Okay. Use our line of the bottle for guidance. Yes, this is good. And then keep it around a peel. So this is what you get. Rotate and adjust and do things here depending on how you want this to look with further adjustments. Yes, this is good. 200 ml. Now I've just made the bottle. Okay, this is purely just making of the bottle. Further, we will also see in another video where we would basically looking at how we could create the background also and make this really good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and do not forget to share because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.